Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to charge your phone with the help of this JBL PartyBox Encore speaker. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to find the USB port of the speaker. For this, just turn over your speaker, and right here at the back part you will see the USB port, but don't mix up those ports because this is for charging the speaker itself. And if you open this one, you will see USB port for charging. So make sure that your speaker is turned on. You can turn it on by pressing the power button on the top of the speaker. So let's take a cable now and just plug it in a charging port of the speaker. And the other end, just connect to the phone. And that's all. Now it is charging because you can see the charging percentage and the status of this charging icon. So now you know how to charge your phone with the help of this JBL PartyBox Encore speaker. And that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.